Hey guys, welcome to another video of mine. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can get your money from PayPal to your Jamaican bank account step by step. Alright, so stick true to the end and I will definitely share with you how to do this. Alright, and also one more big announcement. I would like to thank all my subscribers. I've hit that 1000 mark, so thanks a lot for your continued support. Alright, so let's get right into it. So in order to do this, you will need two things. You will need a Wise account. I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can sign up for Wise. And also you will need your PayPal, of course. Alright, so first we will need to go to Wise. So what you will need to do is to get your account verified. In order to do that, you would need to at least deposit 20 US dollars to your Wise account. You can use your Visa debit card, your credit card, or a bank transfer. All right, it will still be available to you, so you can just do it and then you can withdraw it afterwards. All right, and over here where it says recipients, you will also need to add your Jamaican bank account. So to make it easier, what I have done is I've opened a NCB USD account. You can do that online. I signed up totally online and then I just went in branch to sign and verify. So it's a quick process. And I even got the account information online before I went in branch. Alright, so yeah, you would need to add the NCB Swift code, which you can get that online as well. You can Google it and add your account number for your Jamaican bank account. So what would happen here is that when you, so say I want to send back this $20 to my account, I would just click send money and put the amount, and then it would basically take pretty much 1 to 2 days tops to get over. So basically, so this is a process. So you put the amount that you want to send. So if I want to send $20, I put the $20 and then change this to USD right here. So it basically shows me the fees that I would pay. So I would get $16.59 and it should arrive by December 16. Alright, so that's 4 days. Today is the 12th of December. And then you would just continue and it will just go directly to my USD account. Alright, so now that we got that out of the way, so you would need to come to recipient again and then you would select add recipient, and that's where you would put your Jamaican bank account. So even if it's not a USD account, it will be converted to Jamaican dollars once it hits your account based on the rate at the time. All right, so now that you have your account added, you would go to your the part that says account. This is where you would get your USD bank account information from Wise. So like I said, in order to get this information, you would first need to send at least $20. They will ask you for a photo ID, so you can use your voter's ID, your driver's license, all right? And they will ask you for a selfie just to make sure you are who you say you are. All right, and then once you've done that, you will now have your routing number and your account number. This is your US bank account number, right? And this is what we will need for PayPal. All right, so now let's go over to PayPal. So once you're signed into PayPal, you would go to the tab that says pay and get paid. You will see wallet and then you will see banks and cards. All right, so let me just sign back in real quick. All right, so once you're signed in, you would see the section that says bank accounts. So this is my Payoneer bank account. I know Payoneer and PayPal are not plain nice, so I think it's harder to do that one, but Wise is the workaround. And this is my Wise bank account, as you can see, ending in 8703. And if we go back to Wise, this is my account ending in 8703. All right, so it is successfully added. But in order to add it, when you click on link, you would click on link new bank account right here on PayPal, and then it will ask you if it's a checking or saving account. You would go over to Wise, you copy your full account number right here, and then you would go to PayPal and you would paste it, and then you would also copy the routing number, and then you go back to PayPal and you paste it, and then ensure it says check-in, and then you would click link your bank account. However, when you're doing it, sometime you'll get a message that says you would need to contact us for help with adding this account, and I am going to show you exactly what I text PayPal, and then they told me exactly. Well, they just freed it up for me. All right, so you will get this message here saying that I need help. Then we go to contact us. All right, so we scroll down and we will see the option that says send a message. All right, so we're looking for that option. It should be somewhere below here. Here we go. You can also use that payment option, but that's the longer way. So what I'm looking for is the contact us button that normally it's at the bottom. Here we go, the contact us right here. So we click on that, and then once we're in, we would type just a brief summary of our issue, adding money, and you can see the third one, it says adding a bank account. So we click on that one, and then we scroll down, and it gives us some examples, but that's not what we want. We want to actually talk to our rep. So we would continue to scroll down here and see exactly, we should have an option. Here we go, message us. So we click on that, and yeah, we click on yes. We are trying to verify a bank account, and it will do a security check. So it's gonna send me a one-time password to my phone, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for that. There we go, this is the code. All right, then we hit continue. Identity confirmed, and what it should do now is to open a chat window. All right, and this will be like an automated responder, so we still don't want to talk to this person, but what we can do is still type the issue, and it will give you a suggested response as well. All right, so let me go ahead here and just type a brief summary. So what I can do is to just copy the heading, link a US bank account, and then just add some words to that. So I'm going to do that here, copy, go around, paste, and then I'll just fix it up a little. Here we go. Please assist with, and then I want to say linking, so let me change that. All right, here we go, to my PayPal. All right, great. So now that we did that, the bot will try to give us a response, and I'm going to say I still want to speak to our rep. So I'll put no, I need more help, and then it will ask me, it should ask me if I want to speak with a representative. All right, and normally it takes about an hour depending on what time you message them. I'm gonna skip that part though, but it took about an hour for them to respond because I just recorded this before. All right, so actually did this today. All right, there we go. All right, and so they are gonna ask me to send a detailed message of the issue. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just copy what I posted at the top. Here we go. And then I'm going to also add the account details. So I'm gonna add the account number, the routing number, name, and the address of the bank. All right, so let me go ahead and go over to Wise, copy the account number here with the word account number, paste it, routing number here, and paste. And what will happen at the end of this process, they will respond and tell you that they have resolved the issue, so you can go ahead and now add the bank account to the PayPal. And that's exactly what I did. And hence, now I have both the Payoneer and the Wise US account linked to my PayPal. All right. So the address here, so this is the last bit of information that you will need to provide. All right, and after you send all of that, you just wait for them to, they basically do something on the back end so that you are able to add the Wise account. So that's pretty much it. And if you don't want to do the message route, you can also give them a call as well, and they will do it for you. But this is the easier way. It just takes about an hour for them to free it up for you. All right. So that's the message. So once this process is done, you will basically, when you have money in your PayPal, you would go to the withdraw section. All right, so you will go to you'd see when once you have money in there. Sorry, I didn't get to transfer some funds to my PayPal to show this, but you would see withdraw, and then you would see withdraw to your bank, right? And then you would select the bank account, and it will take 1 to 3 business days to get over to Wise. And then once your money is in your Wise account, you can now withdraw the money to your local bank account. And that is pretty much the steps. So, in as much detail as I can give. And again, I will leave a link to Wise in the description, and also to PayPal and all my handles that you can reach out to me if you have any questions. Again, remember to subscribe, like, and give a thumbs up if this video was helpful to you. It really helps me in the algorithm as well. Really appreciate you guys. And remember, just reach out to me if you have any questions, leave a comment. I would love to hear from you, and let me know what other videos that you would like to hear about next. All right. So peace and love. Stay safe. Out.